Good morning, everyone. This is Urobo Bible Reading Platform. Today we are reading Matthew chapter 4, verse 19 to 21 in Urobo language. Obe remount you, uyobi royin, eni, awo royin, ikwe gbiririn, rite, uje, gbofo. Verse 19. Oda take hayene, we nene, we kimi ru owa wodia ikwiyerin re ikwo. Verse 20. Sievovu na ayida wa nyaje ibriki rayin wo aye de nene. Verse 21. Rowo nya he obaru emera oda mre iniovu ive efa James re ọmọ rí Zebidi kugbe John re oniovu royin we evu re oko kugbe Zebidi re ose rayin reruere ibriki rayin ode se ayin. Thank you.